Hi, I'm Jussi, an automation engineer in Vaisala Production Technology.
And hi, I'm Juhana Häkkänen. So I work also at the main factory of Vaisala here in Vantaa. I'm in charge of planning and timing of manufacturing, and also my team makes sure that we have all the materials needed for the manufacturing on time at the right place. Vaisala's business is what we call high mix, low volume, meaning that we have a constant stream of small deliveries that we are making from the factory, and the volumes vary quite a lot. And this, from a material movement point of view, is kind of a challenge. And to aid in this, we think that maybe it's not the best thing that our operators, our logistics people, are walking around seeing if there are packages to move or not. Maybe we could have a robot to automate this routine work and have the people concentrate on more value-adding tasks. And so we've decided that we want to pilot with these automated guided vehicles.
Well, I was giant leaper almost 2 years ago, and overall it was a really nice experience, and our giant leap group was really awesome and we had fun together.
I think all in all, operations of the factory here at Vaisala, it's a combination of daily activities that we need to do, these operational activities to get what our customers have ordered in a good quality and on time. And because of the high mix, low volume, we do have quite a lot of exceptions also during the day. So solving those in a quick and efficient way is one. So all in all, I think there's a feeling of getting things done. You know, we have over a hectare of factory space in here, and with tens and tens of manufacturing cells. So there's a lot of material going from place to place all day.
Yeah, and all those material is moved manually.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of work for a good robot.
Yeah, I agree.
So join us and we'll do some high tech together.